Welcome to Vincit Laboratories, a leading API manufacturing company that is dedicated to producing high-quality products through innovative solutions while maintaining a commitment to sustainability. The Banur, Punjab manufacturing site is nestled in a sprawling campus, strategically located for future scalability and growth. At Vincit Laboratories, we have a resolute commitment to upholding stringent quality control measures, which have been carefully designed to ensure that each and every product manufactured by us exceeds the highest industry standards, consisting of 4 fully equipped labs, including the Instrumentation Lab, GC Lab, Wet Lab and Microbiology Lab. Our dedicated team of experts ensures that every product passes through a vigorous set of tests and measures to guarantee the highest quality standards. At the core of our facility lies the production area, a hub of advanced technology where an array of sophisticated equipment converges to deliver unparalleled results. At our facility, a host of sophisticated processes are at play. Our experienced professionals utilize cutting-edge equipment to carry out the reaction process with precision and accuracy. We have incorporated cutting-edge technologies and rigorous testing procedures to guarantee that our API products are of superior quality. Our dedicated team of experts carefully monitors every step throughout the process, ensuring that our products meet stringent quality standards. Our state-of-the-art machinery works in perfect harmony to guarantee smooth and efficient operations. Here, the blending process takes place. Our centralized control panel room, manned by skilled professionals, ensures seamless and precise control over our state-of-the-art equipment. Our Quality Assurance Department is dedicated to upholding the highest standards of safety and quality in all of our API manufacturing processes. In our endeavor to drive growth in today's rapidly evolving manufacturing landscape, we also have been investing in research and development. To maintain an efficient supply chain, our warehouses are designed to store raw materials and finished goods safely and securely. We are committed to eco-friendly and sustainable operations, which is why we've invested in top-of-the-line utilities, such as boilers for efficient steam generation, effluent treatment plants to ensure environmentally sustainable manufacturing, air handling units and water treatment systems, ensuring that our operations are environmentally conscious and responsible. We adhere to strict safety policies and procedures to ensure the well-being of our employees, customers and the environment. Our employees are the driving force behind our success, from our quality control team to our production team. Every member of the Vincit family is passionate about our mission to deliver excellence. We take pride in our unwavering dedication to innovation and sustainability. Vincit Laboratories, for exceptional quality and unparalleled service. Visit vincitlabs.com for more information.